Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about a magic product that makes nail polish removal very easy. So before we start applying any sort of polish on the nails, we are going to clean them with a lint-free wipe and some acetone to remove all the natural oils on the nails. And this is the magic product that we are raving about. This is a gorgeous Cosmos peel-off base coat, also called as a water-based base coat. We all know how important a base coat is to maintain healthy nails and to prevent staining. A peel-off base coat, however, is extra special because it makes removing gritty and chunky glitter polishes really easy. Once it is dry, we're going to go with this strengthening base coat from El Corazon. You know how much we love this base coat here at ILMP. We just can't get enough. Now to test this peel-off base coat, we are going to apply a really grainy and gritty polish in this gorgeous shade of pink. While we are applying the polish, I'm sure you can see the particles on the nail. We are going to take 2 coats of this polish and let it dry. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how pretty this polish looks? It's a perfect pink pastel for the spring. You can shop all of the products used in this video at ILoveMyPolish.com. Now that we are done with applying the polish, the last step is always to oil your cuticles. At I Love My Polish, we have a wide range of cuticle oils. We love this one from Step Polish because it's extra nourishing. So if you're someone who has really dry cuticles, you should grab this one from Step Polish. The link is in the description below. And now comes the moment you've all been waiting for. We are going to remove this polish. We are going to remove this polish without any acetone. So you're going to take a cuticle pusher and gently nudge the edges of the polish off. This will not require a lot of pulling and tugging. The polish should start peeling off from your nail quite easily. Now take the other end of the cuticle pusher and put it in between the polish and the nail. You can see how easily it comes off without any damage to the nail. It has not peeled off any layer of the nail, and the nail looks as healthy as it was when you applied the polish before. If the polish is very gritty and has a lot of chunky glitter, you can go over with some acetone on a lint-free wipe to clean up the edges. But as you can see, the peel-off base coat has done its job perfectly. Now let's see how long a wipe dipped in acetone takes to remove this polish. We have dipped it in quite a lot of acetone because this polish is quite gritty, and we are waiting for the polish to come off. So yes, acetone does remove this polish, but it's going to take some time. You can grab your bottle of peel-off base coat from ILoveMyPolish.com. The link is in the description below. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next week.